Hi, it's HardReset and today I'll show you 5 secret tricks on Apple Watch SE. So first, click the power on button that is right in here and the flashlight. When you use the crown button, you will see the brightness changing. And when you scroll on the flashlight, you can see different types of the flashlight: the red, the blinking, and the normal white. When you go into the timer app, oops, not this one, you can see on the top right corner the plus button, and it allows you to add multiple timers. Next thing is with the power on button that is right here. I'll show you it better. To silence the calls. When you have incoming call, then just click once this button to silence it and twice to reject. Next, use the digital crown and scroll from the top to open the notifications menu. And the last one is the walkie-talkie. In the apps, you should somewhere see it, but I'll just enable the list view and find it like that, the walkie-talkie, and it allows you to talk to friends, Apple Watch to Apple Watch, contacts you add, you can talk to whenever you're set available. And here you can select the contact. Thanks for watching, don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.